Told you, bro.
Are you serious?
Told you, can I Millie Rock?
No.
Okay, y'all, I just got done peeing. Now I am currently wiping my butt. Now flush.
Sitting on the toilet. Now flush.
It is hot. Ooh. Okay, y'all, welcome to my channel where y'all watch what I do. And what I do is always something new. Or welcome to my channel where y'all watch what I do. And if you don't want to be a part of it, then get out the room. But that's usually for my more explicit videos. Not really explicit, but like unhinged. But today, it's just gonna be a vlog. Right now, I'm finna cook breakfast. I'm finna make some French toast. This will be my first time making French toast by myself. So we're gonna see how it goes. I got the eggs. I'm finna get the bowl. I'm just gonna put it in fast motion so y'all can see. And yeah. So I want today to be a pretty productive day. I need to update my website because since I just moved, I need to change my location, and I also need to update like the prices of, I mean not the prices, but update like what's in stock and what's not. So I need to reload my restock on the things that aren't stocked up on the website. I also need to map out my content for the week. And what else do I need to do? I need to update my business cards. So it's a little bit of a busy day. 1 second. It's a little bit of a busy day. I just want to get some things done because it's never easy relocating, but I want it to be an easy transition as possible. And I need to update my website. I just said that, didn't I? Yeah, well, I'm done talking now. I just put some brown sugar in here. I probably put too much brown sugar. Then I'm finna get some cinnamon and some vanilla extract, which is right here. And yeah, fast motion now. Y'all, the bread is frozen, so I have to microwave it to warm it up. So I just put it on for like a minute, and then I got this skillet right here. I'm finna oil it up. Oil. Now I'm finna time lapse it back up, y'all. Got me bummed out. You so you. And it wouldn't be parenting if you don't have a toddler crying right in the middle of you making breakfast.
Told you, bro.
Are you serious?
Told you, can I Millie Rock?
No. No, you can't.
Sorry. I think it's time for me to flip it, or I'm stuck together a little bit. I burnt this one, y'all. Let me turn it down. This ain't no ordinary love. Yeah, I burnt it. I burnt it real bad. I
she just take mine? She just went on my plate and took my French toast sticks. But she got her own. It's so crazy to me that she's literally sitting on a stool like a big girl. Like, time goes by so fast. She was just such a little... She was just a little baby.
Still wanna try, still believe in good days.
They're actually very, 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 very good. Okay, y'all, I just got done peeing. Now I am currently wiping my butt. Now flush.
Sitting on the toilet. Now flush.
Y'all, this soap smells so good. It's the Black Cherry Merlot from Bath & Body Works. It smells so, so, so good. Merlot. And I'm just gonna rinse my face. Get any crusties off my face if it's on there. Nobody talks about the irritation of being an entrepreneur when things don't work out. I'm sitting here trying to update my site and work on my website. It's so many trials, tribulations when it comes to it, and it gets frustrating, especially when it just doesn't want to work or doesn't work out how you need it to. You gotta go around and do so many freaking loops. It gets frustrating. I'm sitting here irritated because, like, I'm just sitting here irritated. Like, I'm genuinely irritated. Everything is pissing me off right now. I just want to say what I had to do is I had to meditate and just ground myself and get back into the present moment and realize what emotions I was having and to just pay attention to those and ground myself and get myself to a calm state of mind. And that's how I was able to get back to where I needed to be to finish the work I was trying to do because I was very stressed out. Okay, y'all, so I just updated my pictures. I just updated my website. More story, I updated my website. I got through it. It was kind of frustrating me a little bit, but now I'm finna schedule out my content, weekly content. I'm finna make a schedule for that. And yeah. Okay, y'all, it is currently, hold on. It's 5 o'clock. I spent like 3 hours on my business stuff, trying to get everything sorted out and ready. I'm still not done, but I got a lot done. So what I'm gonna do is warm up some leftovers for breakfast, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not making lunch. So that's what we're finna eat today. for lunch. It's hot, babe. It's hot. So yeah. It is hot. Ooh. We've just been sitting here watching Elmo. Well, she just been sitting here watching Elmo. I've been sitting here working on my projects. I'm a mom. Of course, when there's not enough for both of us, I'm gonna give her what I was gonna eat. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, I'm gonna fall asleep and let my kid mess up the house. I'll be tired. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, I'm gonna stay way later than I should because that's the only free time I get alone. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, I know all the words to Gracie's Corner, Sesame Street, and other kids shows. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, my kid eats 3 meals a day, and I forget to eat and eat like 1 meal. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, I think my child's leftovers is a full meal. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, when I get a break, I'm looking at pictures of my kid 5 minutes later. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, once I clean the house, it's right back messed up the next hour. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, my kids saved my life. I'm a Tyler mom. Of course, we're twins and look just alike. I'm really not that hungry no more. I don't know if she's gonna be. I'm probably finna make something else to eat, honestly, even though I said I wasn't. Okay, y'all know I'm stopped by a train. I still not making dinner and there wasn't no cheese, so she let me drive her car to go to the store that was around the corner, and I picked up some cheese, y'all. So we finna eat really good. She making some Parmesan ranch chicken, and she knows I love ranch and cheese, so that's why she made it. And she's making cheesy broccoli and I think baked potatoes, and I'm just excited because it's gonna be so good. I already know her cooking. Her cooking be so fire. But this train been super duper long, so I was like, let me talk to y'all real quick. I was ending, so I gotta go, y'all. Bye. Damn, that is bright. But y'all, it's the end of the night. This food was good, and then we watched a movie called Damsel. This light is like, but yeah, I'm finna end this video. I forgot what the word was for a second, but good night, y'all. I'm finna go to sleep. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.